Hey YouTube.
That was the craziest thing you've ever done in your whole life.
It's me, Bjorn, here, and fiance Sarah. Today's day one recovery. We're going to surgery today. The ankle. Feeling kind of tacky. Had to wipe myself down. Otherwise, feeling good. Let's get it. We're getting ready to leave. Giving my calf a sec to calm down. Kind of flared a bit this morning. Let's get it. We're on our way to Surgery Care of Hawaii. It's a rainy day in Hawaii.
Why are you doing that?
We're at the surgery center. Let's get it done. Alright, so surgery was pretty quick. Lasted about an hour. Woke up about 30 minutes to an hour later. I left. Had most of the day left, but feeling pretty good. Now, and starting to recover now. Wish your boy a speedy recovery. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And catch us on our next video and second YouTube upload. Alright, YouTube, I'll see you next time.